In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details on a Xero invoice. Adding your bank details to an invoice is essential for ensuring your clients can easily find the information they need to make payments to you. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this update in Xero. First things first, open your web browser and head over to xero.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Here, select the organization you want to work with. This step is crucial because your invoice settings are specific to each organization you manage in Xero. Look at your dashboard, and once you've selected an organization, click on its name located in the upper left corner of your screen. This should bring down a drop-down menu where you will select Settings. Within the Settings menu, navigate to Invoice Settings. This is where you can manage your invoice templates and branding themes. Under Branding Themes, you'll see a list of available templates. Choose the invoice template you would like to edit. If you're starting from scratch, this is also the section where you can create a new branding theme by clicking on New Branding Theme. However, for those who are updating an existing theme, click on Options and then Edit. As you scroll through the editing options, head down to the Payment Advice or Footer section. This is where you can add personal touches to invoices, like your payment terms and bank details. In the Terms and Payment Advice field, you will need to type in your bank details. Make it clear and concise, such as including your account number and a friendly reminder like, please make payment to the account listed above within 7 days. Clear instructions here ensure that your clients know how and when to make a payment. Once you've finished entering your bank details, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. It's important to double check that everything looks good because these details will be automatically included on all invoices using that particular branding theme. To see your changes in action, go back to Business in the main menu, then Invoices, and finally select New Invoice. When creating the invoice, make sure to choose the updated branding theme. You'll notice that your new bank details appear at the bottom or in the designated payment section of the invoice. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Xero invoices have all the necessary details to facilitate efficient payments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Xero effectively.